Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change font size on PolyBuzz. So first of all, launch open PolyBuzz application. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to change the font size, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to access the settings. Now from the application itself, you'll not be able to change the font size, but at second you'll be able to find this option for use system font size. Make sure this option is toggled on. Now if this option is toggled on, you'll be able to change the font size from your device settings. So for that, launch open settings on your device. Keep in mind the settings options will vary according to the device that you're using. So what you have to do is simply find the option for display and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for appearance, you'll be able to find this option for display size and text. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to make the font size bigger or smaller. You'll be able to use the slider in order to do it. For instance, if you want to make it bigger, what you have to do is simply drag it to the right. Now once it has been bigger, what you have to do is simply go to the PolyBuzz application. Now in the application itself too, the font size will be bigger. Likewise, if you decrease the font size and open the PolyBuzz application, here the font size will be smaller. So like this, you'll be able to change the font size. So that is how you change font size on PolyBuzz. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.